How to permanently delete your Battle.net account. Google search for delete Battle.net account, scroll down, and you want to click on this first link, deleting a Battle.net account on the Blizzard forums. Once you have done this, then you want to click on delete Battle.net account. Again, this is going to permanently delete your account, so make sure you are certain you want to do this. Scroll down and then click here. This is going to be the hyperlink to request the deletion of your Battle.net account. Once we have clicked on that, then it's going to take you to this page. It's going to tell you that it is going to remove your personal information. Requests may take up to 30 days to complete. I understand that I'm requesting to delete all of my data. I understand that neither Blizzard nor I will be ever be able to recover this information. So once you check this, you will click on continue. Make sure you are signed into the account you want to delete, by the way. You will click on continue. You will go through the prompts, and that is going to permanently delete your Battle.net account. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.